guess we're gonna do another one just to show you guys. Jesus, Corona haircuts. So tomorrow we have to do the Hoonigan live feed 420 special. So today we're just prepping the cars, make sure everything's good on it. We got Mochi just watching us do anything because he doesn't really want to work right now. So we're about to put new tires on Mike's car so he can do a burnout. So got to put new tires on that car. And Ashley went through the drag car and found an issue that we were having with the fuel. It wasn't a dirty filter, it's actually a collapsed fuel filter. You can see that thing is not straight at all. So for now, he's gonna pull it out. Hopefully it doesn't get any bad gas into injectors, but if it does, whatever, he's gotta put new injectors on it. But this thing's still running like a champ. I still gotta wax the hood. It's been lazy, but as you can see, this thing's ready to go already. Change the fuel filter. Now I'm getting the fuel, like the full fuel pressure. So the only thing I have to do now tomorrow is mess with the tune a little bit, because now it's actually getting like 15, almost 18 pounds more fuel pressure. So it's definitely gonna be a little too rich. The mass is gonna pull it that little way just enough for a burnout, and save the car to do the rest on the dyno after I get the new fuel filters and go through the whole car again. But yeah, we'll see what happens tomorrow.
There we go.
What up?
What's up, man?
What are you boys up to?
Trying to get Mike to spice up my tune. I want to shoot some flames.
I see.
You guys gonna throw down some heat or what?
Yeah, if it blows up, it blows up. Whatever.
No, we're doing it.
We got Mike's already lined up over here, though. That's what Mike for sure blow up. You see, it's always leaking coolant.
Did you guys do a test of burnout or something? Why is it leaking?
A little bit. But it'll be fine. It'll be fine.
Oh, there you there. Oh, let's go.
Man.
Yo, it's about to happen.
Oh! So for you guys that are just tuning in, this is the build and battle Rx7 that the Vargas brothers built against Bad Daddy Brownie. Still running and making all the power.
Yeah, I think that thing makes like 650 or something.
Try to hold it. Hey.
Trying to hold it?
There it is. They're holding it.
No way.
Oh, with the tipping in the parking lot. John already probably blew up a transmission.
Yeah, no, this car's going right, man. We did it with a good budget.
Yeah, this ain't Brad's truck.
Hey, what do you guys think?
What'd you do?
First burn down the drag car. Just held second gear. Got not a pussy. I don't go first, second. Start a second gear and keep going. But I did a little burnout. I mean, drag car, a little donut. So I had to throw a little spice in there. No, we're fucked.
I think they're gonna.
Wait.
They're coming here.
Oh yeah, they're coming here. I'm going to hide and lock the door. Oh my God. Here they come.
Oh God.
John, what is happening?
No.
John, what
a
is...
little too much.
Oh, we got cops.
Oh no.
Wait. Yo, my stuff is strapped on the car.
Oh
The
no.
straps and the cops. Oh my God.
Are they laughing? Is he smiling?
Yeah, he's still recording.
Is he recording? Oh my God, he's recording that?
Yeah, live.
Oh, they're still there.
Yeah, they're clean out so it doesn't catch on fire.
Oh my gosh, you guys are ridiculous.
Oh.
This is ridiculous.
Yo, it's still smoking in the shovel.
Yo, this is not,
This is insane. You can't make this up.
I mean, they kind of helped us out. They just threw it in the center of the driveway. Everything good?
Respect for
Are we in
firefighters.
trouble or not really? Okay, all right. Well, thank you guys. Thanks, guys.
Are we in trouble, but not really?
yeah, Mike's doing the nervous throw like, oh,
Yes, dude.
hello, officer. Would you like a safety meeting?
Oh no!
Yeah, this thing is totaled. Might as well call your insurance company and tell them you got hit or something.
You got hit.
Yeah, it's like, this nasty, Mike.
Yeah, both the tires blew. Rubber everywhere. We had it in fourth gear.
You still even got rubber on your face.
My hands, face,
It's undercoated.
hoodie. Look on the hoodie.
Yeah, just throw your clothes away, throw
Yeah,
the car away.
This you can't wash this out.
Yeah.
Hey, call that guy. Mike, call that guy. Tell him you got a little bit of rubber in his car too.
And I just cleaned those wheels today.
Well, they're still clean. The rest of the car is not.
These are the spares. We're gonna put these on so I can drive it home.
The ugly boys.
Yeah, the oldies. Cause you know, this car stays at the house, so I drive it a lot. So this is one of my dailies.
He doesn't drive it a lot because it never has tires.
So I'm gonna put tires back on it, throw the wheels, the blown ones on the back, and just drive it home, put it back in the garage, order some new tires.
Well, he has to take the car back home because he might be in trouble with his landlord. We don't know yet. But yeah, cops showed up, fire department showed up. Next thing we're gonna expect is the landlord showing up and giving Mike some shit. Yeah, we'll see.
So we're gonna get rid of the evidence. So other than that,
The shop is
car
kind of
did good.
clean. We kind of cleaned the shop, got most of the tire out of it. The tire did catch on fire sitting outside after they pulled it
It
out.
was a good thing they took it out. But I mean, other than that, the car did fine. Like we just had it in fourth gear, revved to the 8,000, and just like held it there. Didn't overheat. Didn't have any hiccups.
I was a pussy. I only did a second gear burnout because my tires are way more expensive than Mike's little 13s. He gets those things for 20 bucks a piece, and his slicks are definitely not 20 bucks a piece.
From where Brad gets his tires, eBay.
But yeah, so both cars did really good on the burnouts. Hopefully we get no backlash from the landlord so we can keep doing fun stuff like this. If not, then fuck it, we'll move to a different spot. Right, Mike?
Yeah. We'll go to Florida, hang out with Cletus, and go to Freedom Factory.
We did get offered a little spot in the Freedom Factory, so we'll see. We'll see what happens. We might be ready to become Florida people.